Hey, Souls121 here with Real Hardware Reviews. Today, I've got a way past due unboxing and review of the HyperX Cloud Alpha. Had this since pre-release, but kind of did a move in the in-between and lost it. So, let's jump right into it. Besides the fact it has an absolutely stunning box, like all HyperX stuff, gonna catch your eye when you're looking around the store, we've got some beautiful features. For one, it's easy to travel with this one. All the cords, everything else come unplugged, nice and clean. Has a beautiful, beautiful metal surround to connect those drivers to your ears. Has their signature memory foam earbuds. Oh yeah, real nice. Durable aluminum frame. Come on guys, there's so many brands that don't do this. I've seen so many of them still use plastic. That is where you fail. Stick with the aluminum, the steel, the metals. I don't care if it's a little heavier on your head, as long as it lasts you. Full detachable cables with inline audio controls, which is cool. Detachable noise cancelling microphone, and of course it works with the standard Ventrilo, Discord, Skype, Discord, TeamSpeak, Mumble, and Radio Call, and every other freaking thing ever, because it's a 3.5 mm, it's not USB. No matter what, it's going to work. As long as you've got a built-in sound card or an external sound card, you will be good to go. Has the 3.5 to 1.3 meters, as well as a dual, so that's for your PC, where you got your microphone and you got your headset, 3.5 to 2 meters long. So that's pretty nice. It's just over 6 feet. Can't complain there. Free tech support, and I believe a full 2-year warranty. That's not half bad. I know they're going to support you all the way. Yeah, right there. Guaranteed for 2 years, money back. Good stuff, good stuff. So, with all that outside, let's take a look. I got stuck. Nice packaging, just like all the other HyperX ones. I found this one was a little more sealed than the previous. So sealed, they're real nice. All the other ones were just the kind of cardboard seal with foam. They went with plastic on this one. I actually don't hate it. I know, go green, but you can recycle plastics. Go recycle that. Then we got their congratulations on joining the HyperX family. You're not just friends here, you're family. Cloud Alpha quick start guide to guide you through how to wear a microphone and a headset, where it should be. In front of your mouth, get that, kids, and not to the side, not near a fan. Hey, you guys don't see us go. What good does this do? Do your calls, put it in front of your mouth. Works with PC notebook, Xbox One, PS4. There's a new PS4 edition HyperX headset too that looks frickin' sweet. Love that blue. I might just have to buy one, even though I don't really use my PS4 anymore. But looks great. Looks good. Good little guide. Good to have just in case you don't know how to use a headset. You might be one of those people. If you are, it's okay. We still love you. Headset and microphone here. We'll get right back to them after we get through what else is in this. Oh, a box of goodies. What's in our box of goodies? So, in the beautiful box of goodies, we have ourselves... it says HyperX on it. I don't know if I'm catching that in the camera very well. Looks snazzy. I better mute that out. So it's real snazzy. Real nice. Little travel bag for your headset. Thank you, HyperX. I love it. Ooh. We've got the mic mute switch, volume slider. It's just one, so you can't control the microphone volume or anything like that with it. You can do that in Windows. So really, okay, it's good to see. And then an extra, this is how you hook it up to your PC. So now you got 3.3 meters, I believe they said. You've got, good guess, 3.3 meters once you connect those together. So really, this thing you could wrap it around the back of your desk, anything else, you're good to go. You're good to go. Those beautiful shiny gold leads. I love that. Thank you, HyperX. That's that's all we got for accessories. So it's looking pretty good on there. I'm not going to complain with that. Thank you, HyperX. Detachable, extendable, all that good stuff. Now the headset itself, we've got our microphone, which is again detachable. And it's got a little foamy guy here. Oh, nice looking microphone. Pretty freaking snazzy. Looks actually really nice. Just gotta get the foam back on. Don't break it. Don't tear it. Oh, come on. There we go. Alright, perfect. It's back in there. Looking shiny, looking nice, looking new. And we got our headset. Look at that. Strength. Okay, I've looked at a lot of headsets recently, personally, just on my own time, listen to music at work, stuff like that. And you'd be amazed at how many don't have this. If you're a company that doesn't do this, get out of the headphone game. You guys just quit. You failed. You failed as people. You failed as engineers. People have different size heads. Oh yeah, that's how it should be. So, nice and comfortable. Put the microphone in there. So kids, headset on. Like so. Quite comfortable. Memory foam. It'll adjust your head. Microphone there. Okay? Not over here. Not up here. Not down here. I don't want to hear your scruff. Over here. Put your push to talk on. Where you said stiffy so I don't have to hear your damn breathing. And we're good to go. Got that. Okay. We're cool now. Cool. Okay, thanks. Oh, it's extremely comfortable. I mean, I've been using the Cloud Revolver S for the longest time. And it's comfortable. It's nice. It's a little heavy though. Like the weight difference is quite a bit. Revolver S is quite a bit more heavy. But I gotta say, the Alpha is cozy and it's nice and light. Looks like it breathes quite well. It's got some little holes on top. It just feels like a good headset. I think HyperX did a good job with this one. I really do. I think they know what they're doing. They've been learning as they go along. And they're honestly my best, well not best, my favorite headset company if you're not looking to spend way too much freaking money. But for you guys with that weird fetish out there, just for you. Yeah, that was nice, wasn't it? I felt that at home too. And on the other side, oh. One fell swoop. Oh yeah, smooth. Damn, those are sticky. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Matte finish on those things. That is pretty. HyperX, you did a good job. Can't complain, can't complain.
Now jumping into the sound test, the Cloud Alpha does come in at only $99 USD, about 139 Canadian, compared to the 149 USD Cloud Revolver S. It seems like a phenomenal headset. Good quality sound. Playing games, you can definitely tell what shots are coming from the left or right. It was really good in CSGO. I didn't notice much of a huge difference from the Cloud Revolver S. So for jumping into the microphone testing, things that you guys can actually hear, because it's really hard to hear what a headset sounds like online when I'm the one just telling you what it sounds like. So when I jump into the microphone tests here, these are raw, unedited microphone tests. I will tell you what the ratings are set at, so microphone volume will be at the top, and then at the bottom rating would be the mic boost. So I'll start off with just doing microphone volume, and then I'll start checking in the mic boost, and then we'll add some basic Windows features to try and clean up the noise, see how it sounds. Sometimes they sound worse, sometimes they sound better, so stick with us here. Testing. Microphone at 100%, mic boost at 0. Testing. Microphone at 100%, mic boost at plus 10. Testing. Microphone at 100%, mic boost at plus 20. Testing. Microphone at 100%, mic boost at plus 30. Testing. Microphone at 50%, mic boost at plus 20. Microphone at 50%, mic boost at plus 30. Testing. Microphone at 90%, mic boost at plus 10%. Microphone at 100%, mic boost at 10%, with noise suppression turned on, built-in Windows 10 feature. Microphone at 100%, mic boost at 10%, noise suppression on, as well as acoustic echo cancellation on. Both Windows 10 features, testing now. After testing the microphone here, I jumped into multiple games like CSGO, Pug, and a couple other games, and noticed that the Cloud Alpha does sound very nice. You do notice the frequency response is not quite as nice as the Revolver S, which gives you slightly larger highs and lows, but in the most part, it does sound decent. I really cannot complain. It is leaps and bounds above, say, the HyperX Cloud 2 or the Cloud Silver, or 1,000 times better than the Stinger. The microphone is a little foggy, but you can fix the static and stuff like that with the multiple Windows fixes and just tweaking it to the sound card you have. Many built-in features will assist with this, and many Realtek built-in features, like I was testing there, some of the Windows 10 built-in features, but some of the Realtek features and creative features can solve this bit of static. So it will sound like a great headset. It does run a dual 50mm driver chamber, which sounds actually pretty good. Like, the sound is awesome. Good highs, good lows. Can't complain there. The audio type is stereo. It's not Dolby 7.1 like you get with the Cloud Revolver S, but in the most part, it is a great headset. There's no USB microphone with, or no USB amplifier with it, so it basically is driven by your motherboard or your sound card only, which honestly is nothing to complain about. It's great for taking on the go. Detachable mic makes it nice and comfortable. It's an aluminum construction, making it much lighter than the full steel construction of the Revolver. For the most part, it's a great headset. It really is a must-buy in my mind. I honestly love it. I thank you, HyperX, for giving us this headset to review. Does it get my recommendation? Damn right it does. And it also gets my Excellence Award for just being an excellent quality headset. Good job, HyperX. And if you're looking forward to any other challenges, any competitions versus things like that you want to see from this headset, please put them in the comments below. Thank you for stopping by. I am John, aka Solus121 with Real Hard Reviews. Thanks for stopping by. We love you all. Bye.